Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Any discussion of Hakka cuisine would seem incomplete without mentioning bamboo shoots. But how the Hakka prepare this ingredient is rather different. In Taiwanese cuisine, bamboo shoots are mostly served in cold dishes, stewed or stir-fried. The Hakka, on the other hand, leave the shoots out to dry in the sun. Then, the dried shoots are added to the dishes such as chicken and duck stews as the tangy and bitter touch complements the flavor of meat dishes.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 各位聽眾朋友，大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Josephine。等一下，什麼堂中朋友，在湯中間的朋友嗎？
不是啦，
我們現在不是泡湯嗎？什麼是堂中朋友？
堂中就是聽眾朋友。
哦，堂中朋友 ，That's a new term I heard Leo talking about just now, and it means, hey listeners, hello to you, right? 堂中朋友 ，OK。哎，講到湯，那就來介紹吃的好了。
哦，好啊。
對啊，像有什麼東西可以煮湯來吃是好吃的？
我覺得有一種東西你應該吃過，就是竹筍湯做筍湯。
Those are good. 竹筍湯，還有那個筍乾呢？
哎，對啊，
哦，是不是？
筍乾好吃哎。
Yes, you know what? The dry bamboo shoots are very popular amongst Hakka food. They love to use this ingredient. 那順便教大家怎麼說這個筍乾好了。
筍乾
，OK, that's dry bamboo shoots. 那通常是會怎麼準備它？
那個煮了雞鴨之後，那個湯是不是很濃？
對，
而且會有很多的油
會跑出來。對，
沒錯。這筍乾因為它纖維比較粗，所以呢，我們就把它丟進去那個高湯裡面，就皮湯裡邊，然後呢，就開始慢慢的去煮。竹筍它吸滿了那個油脂之後呢，就非常香、非常好吃、非常滑嫩。
聽起來不錯了。Let's go eat this right now. They love to use chicken and duck because when you stew the chicken and duck, a lot of oil will surface into the soup. But when you throw in some dry bamboo shoots, it's going to balance out the taste. It's going to taste very full and delicious. It is a perfect blend. 就是用這個筍乾跟這個雞啊或鴨一起熬出來。高湯你剛剛講對不對？
皮湯
That's how you say soup. And chicken and duck 順便也再蕊一下，以前有教過雞跟鴨怎麼說呢？
給阿北。
給 is chicken, abe is duck. And again, you use the dry bamboo shoots. Let's review these terms. 這個筍乾怎麼說？筍乾，然後高湯。皮湯 and don't forget to throw in the meat 雞跟鴨
給阿北
So there you go. Hurry up. I want to go home and prepare this dish. 現在趕快回家來煮這道菜了。
好啊。
That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.